So we got a new toolbox with 3 tools inside that look like really dirty, really gnarly. So we're gonna clean it, and then, because I'm gonna have to wrap a lot of stuff and Sam is a pro at it, we're gonna wrap the box so I can actually see how it works. So that's gonna be fun. You excited?
Yes.
Okay, let's get cleaning. Oh my god. Oh, everything we touch is nasty in here.
You want to put gloves on?
Do we have gloves?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
We should put gloves on.
There you go. Okay.
So I touched something and it tried to kill us. So we're making a little update. We're gonna wear gloves.
Tetanus. It's good.
Oh yeah. How much tetanus do you want? Yes.
Amazing.
Okay.
I feel like these are always too big for my hands.
You need bigger hands.
Yeah, okay, I'll work on that. Because why would we get smaller gloves when I could just grow?
I don't know where in the car that would go. But
On some hoses, maybe? We have some very large drill bits. Good for the Supra.
how would we clean? Can we clean the liners?
Yes. Or we could buy new ones.
Oh, it's nasty under. It's sticky under.
We could also just throw out the liners and clean the bottom.
No, we're gonna clean them. We're gonna power wash them. So they're gonna go here for now because, oh my god, I touched stuff that
Yeah,
is-
I'm glad we have gloves. We could vacuum
this is nasty.
I think we could vacuum this.
Okay, let's empty first drawer. Ooh,
For saw
3
blades.
ratchet. Ooh, no, not.
Not good?
I mean, garbage.
Broken.
It's really liquid at the top.
Yeah, I don't know what that is. I kind of want to touch it though.
I'm gonna touch it. It doesn't stick.
This one just feels.
It's oily.
This is not wet, but it looks really wet.
It is wet.
But it's not like as wet as you would think.
It's not dry.
It's very slippery. It's like a moist wax. Like a moist hardened wax.
Always use your tools, used and abused.
I feel like somebody really had to get into like a specific space. And that's just.
And
is
then,
it-
yeah.
No, I think it's meant to
Yeah,
be.
maybe. I don't know.
This could be useful. I don't know for what, but I feel like this could be useful.
This is the find.
I think this is.
Oh, this is not
fine.
an-
Another one.
Don't hurt yourself there. One size.
Ah, stunning. It added to the collection. Oh, a couple sizes.
Brand new, never used. I'm gonna put it on eBay for like $1. We'll see.
I hope.
Whatever we have, we have. Okay, so then we get to use the green stuff.
Maybe.
What do you mean, maybe? It's green stuff.
I'm experiencing technical difficulties.
Are you? Show me. Yeah. Please.
Is it recording?
Yes.
Oh, it worked.
Do you think at some point we're gonna wipe it and nothing is gonna come off?
No. Maybe after we wrap it. It's like on top of the wrap.
Yeah.
I'm gonna vacuum the bottom.
Gonna vacuum. There is stuff in the bottom.
Yep. I'm gonna vacuum it.
No, I mean there are tools.
Yep.
Yeah, it's fine.
Stand back. People are working. Oh, my arm's getting sore from that.
A few moments later.
Green stuff?
Green stuff.
Green stuff.
More. It's getting harder to breathe in here, jeez.
We don't need air where we are going. Safety violation.
Yeah.
How many? One of them.
7.
Oh, dark stuff is coming out again.
Really? No way.
I don't know from where and from what, but
I never would have expected that. Oh my goodness.
there is a hidden darkness.
I think under here seems very pleasant.
Yes.
Ew.
We've been on it for half an hour.
Yep. Looks very good. So are we ready to wrap? Thanks for watching our videos. Hope you like them. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have time, go check us out on other social medias to see what's going on.